Good day, grade 5 readers and writers. Welcome to the wonderful world of English, where learning experience is filled with fun while listening and watching. I am Ma'am Marilyn Gutierrez, your teacher in English 5. For today's lesson, we are going to compose clear and coherent sentences using appropriate grammatical structures, using subordinate and coordinate conjunctions. This lesson is based on the most essential learning competencies. At the end of this lesson, you are going to identify coordinating and subordinating conjunctions used in sentences, join clauses using correct conjunctions, and compose clear and coherent sentences using correct conjunctions. Let us read and analyze the following sentences. Number 1. Clause 1. Little got sick. Conjunction because. Clause 2. He played under the rain. Sentence. Little got sick because he played under the rain. Number 2. Clause 1. Elsa's mother supports her studies in a private school. Conjunction although. Clause 2. She only sells vegetables for a living. Sentence. Elsa's mother supports her studies in a private school, although she only sells vegetable. Because and although is an example of conjunction. Conjunctions are part of a speech that joins two words, phrases, or clauses together. These are the types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Common subordinating conjunctions. After, before, although, though, even though, as much as, long as soon as, because, since, so that. Coordinating conjunction. It is used to give equal emphasis to a pair of main clauses. Let us remember the acronym FUNBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Let us study the given examples. Number 1. A bowl of ginataan is sweet and delicious. Number 2. A hot lomi can be eaten using a fork or a spoon. Number 3. Mona went to school, but no one was there. Number 4. I don't waste a single drop of my vitamins, for it is expensive. Number 5. Lily ignored her ice cream, so I ate it myself. Number 6. My Lola doesn't love yellow, yet she always waters her sunflowers in the garden. Number 7. Tony doesn't like to eat seashells, nor does he touch it on the table. Let us proceed to subordinating conjunction. It is a conjunction that used to join independent clause and dependent clause. The most common subordinating conjunctions are after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, while. Let us study the given examples. I will buy a new smartphone when I save enough money. The most important thing that a person is thinking about is his plan of buying a new smartphone, not saving money. Saving money is just the next important thing. Next, if you don't study your lesson well, you will have a failing grade. You will have a failing grade is the most important idea, while if you don't study your lesson well, it's just the second most important idea. Let us proceed to activity number 1. Complete each sentence using the subordinating conjunction from the parentheses. Number 1. We are leaving Wednesday, blank, or not it rains. The choices are if, whether, though. Number 2. Pay attention to your work, blank, you will not make mistakes. The choices are so that, unless, or. Number 3. The musicians delivered a rousing performance, blank. They had rehearsed often. The choices are though, as, once. Number 4. She's honest, blank. Everyone trusts her. The choices are if, so, when. Number 5. Write this down, blank. You forget. The choices are or, when, less. Let us proceed to activity number 2. Match the main clause in column A with the correct subordinating conjunction and subordinate clause in column B. Write only the letter. The choices from column B are the following. A. Although he worked hard. B. Because she had lost her golden chain. C. While the leader was speaking. D. When she learned that I lied. E. Where I left my bike. Number 1. The people were listening eagerly, blank. Number 2. This is the place, blank. Number 3. Blank, he remained poor. Number 4. She began to cry, blank. And number 5. Blank, she became angry. Let us proceed to activity number 3. Combine the two sentences into one longer sentence using the given conjunction. Make some changes and add correct punctuations when necessary. To guide you in the activity, the first pair of sentences has been done for you. Write your new sentence in your notebook. LeBron James is an NBA player. Kevin Durant is an NBA player too. Using the conjunction and. Answer. LeBron James and Kevin Durant are NBA players. Number 1. Do you like a laptop? Do you like a tablet? Conjunction or. Number 2. Naruto can create multiple clones. Naruto can summon a gigantic toad. Conjunction and. Number 3. The Burning Legion invaded Azeroth. The Burning Legion were defeated by the Night Elves. Conjunction but. Number 4. Public transportation is limited. Many people are stranded in Manila. Conjunction because. Number 5. A vaccine or medicine is found. Our life will only go back to normal. Conjunction if. And for activity number 4, compose 5 sentences using the coordinating or subordinating conjunctions. Use the specific conjunction required in each item. Number 1, and. Number 2, but. Number 3, or. Number 4, since. And number 5, until. So there you have it, grade 5 readers and writers. I hope you had fun as much as I did. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you learned a lot today. Again, I am Ma'am Marilyn Gutierrez, your teacher in English 5. Until next time, kids, keep safe and God bless everyone.